The first thing I'm going to show you though is how to remove the door. So on the top of the door is going to be a plastic clip just like this, and you just need to force that clip off, and there'll be a metal plate up here, and there'll be 3 screws that you just need to loosen and remove. So I'll just quickly do that now. It's 1. 2. 3. Just be careful. So you remove the pin hinge, which will look something like that. And then you can lift the door up and take the door off. The door just sits on another pin hinge on the bottom. So you've got a pin hinge on the top like that and another one on the bottom. It's just removing those 3 screws. This is also how you adjust the door. So if the door's dropped or it's not straight, what you want to do is remove the door and then put the door back on. And then you make sure the door is straight, and then you tighten those screws back up.